This is my first flight in 5 months. A new airfield. Can I land this thing? I want you to be my instructor and rate my circuit.
This is Oxford Information Hotel. Time 1053. Expect radar ILS approach. Runway in use 19er. Transition level 65. NDB unserviceable. Wind to 10 degrees 1 knot. Cub OK. Temperature +22. Dew point +4. QNH 1036. QFE 1026. Ground frequency closed. Pilots of arriving aircraft are to report any passengers on board who are unwell. Confirm QNH and Information Hotel on first contact.
Oxford Tower, Golf Mike, Kilo Alpha Sierra, Information Hotel, 1036.
Golf Alpha Sierra, you ready for taxi?
Hey firm, Golf Alpha Sierra.
Golf Alpha Sierra, taxi, you're holding point Charlie, runway 19 via the Bravo taxiway.
Welcome back to another private pilot vlog. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, as it really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. For all my new subscribers, my name is Adam and this is my first flight in 5 months. And today I'm at a new airfield in Oxford in the UK. If you like watching aviation videos, make sure you go and check out Jodell Flyer. Tim flies a Jodell from a grass strip called Neyland. Go and check out his videos now. Unfortunately, one of the cameras capturing the audio died, so I'm going to have to give you a commentary of my first circuit. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that it wasn't pretty, but I still want to share it with you. Leave a comment below if you notice anything I should have done better. I really will appreciate it. Okay, back to it. So here we go. We're lining up on runway 19. I'm adjusting my heading indicator. Yeah, I won't lie, my heart is actually pumping quite fast right now. It's been my first flight in 5 months. Okay, I received my clearance. Take the parking brake off, full power. Engine temperatures and pressures look good. Right foot on the rudder to keep us straight. Looking for 60 knots and rotate. Climbing away on the runway heading 1,000 feet before I make a left turn. The circuits here at Oxford are 1,500 feet on the QNH for a fixed wing aircraft, so a little bit different to what I'm used to. Straight ahead of me is Bryce Norton, which is a military airspace, so I'm very conscious I don't go and bust the corner of it. So I'm turning base now and climbing to 1,500 feet. Looking over my shoulder, I can see the airfield behind me. Starting the turn now for downwind and still climbing to 1,500 feet. Busted 1,500 feet, so bring the power back and trimming for straight and level. Making my downwind call now. Alpha Sierra is downwind for a touch and go. Then I'm told to report final. So I'm tweaking the power just to keep us at 1500 feet. I'm now checking everything looks good and looking ahead to see where I should make my turn for base. Okay, so car peak goes on, reduce the power back, start the turn for base, 2 stages of flap, start descending down. Landing light goes on as I start to turn final. Making my call, Golf Alpha Sierra is turning final for touch and go. So I feel we're coming in too fast. I'm looking for about 80 knots, but I need to slow us down. Adjusting the trim here. Short final now, too fast. Still need to bleed off some speed. Bringing the throttle back to idle. A flare of some sort of description. And we touch down with a little bounce. Quick glance to my T's and P's. Take out 1 stage of flap, full power, and rotate. Back up we go. So that was my first circuit at Oxford. I went off to do another 4. None of them were amazing, but I thought I'd share this one with you. So thank you for watching this short video. Make sure you leave a comment, let me know what I should be doing better. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and there'll be another video coming very soon.